Oh my life. Today I'm trapped in a 100 button box. 99 of these buttons are disadvantagements for my next game, and only one of these let me escape. There are two ways for me to escape. Either I click the right button in the box, or I win my next match with my disadvantagement. Let's get straight into this. So what are we picking here? Let's pick something that's very not here, right here, in the corner. Okay. We're going to log jam because we need to get those mats. But there's some people coming over here. No, I don't usually go to log jam, but this place is pretty good.
Someone has a nervous stomach after a little gymnastics routine.
There you go. He didn't get a gun.
Or maybe it's something.
Alright, we got one person. Let's see if we get the others. Oh, do they all leave? Nope. You need a gold grenade launcher.
Okay.
Oh my, I thought that would go through. I'm so dumb. I'm so glad I did not die there. 3 kills off the bat. We gotta get mats so we can skybase though. I'm really trying to find Spider-Man, but I don't know if it spawns over here. So if I fall down from the skybase, I don't die. Alright, we're up here. Got a tornado over there. Hope nobody sees me here, because I actually have nothing to save me if I fall. Oh. Wow. Wow, top 7 too. Alright guys, let's pick something on the top. Pick this one. SMG only. Bro, this is gonna be the easiest thing I've ever... SMG only, bro? This is gonna be so easy. Alright, couple people in here. See if I can get an SMG off spawn. Is this an SMG? It is. Okay, we got 2 SMGs now. Some people here. What? Oh, bro. You're not gonna find me, buddy. Oh. Haha!
What?
Alright, we need some SMG ammo though. I'm getting kind of low, and that's all I can use here. Bro, I can't believe I hid from him like that. Didn't he have the flare gun? He should have saw me there. 100%, he should have saw me there. Give me another SMG, I need ammo. Buddy! There's no way! It's like the game just... Someone's here. About to die to it. Never mind. Bro, I always die to bots like that. Alright, we need ammo. I have to win this game for y'all. Because it's actually like a 1% chance to actually click the right button and not let me escape without winning the game. Which is really hard. I need to win this game. Ooh, someone's right here. Honestly, I don't know if I should fight this. I really don't want to risk it. What is this kid doing? How am I alive? I'm so lucky, bro. I cannot be dying like that. I knew I was gonna probably die. Oh, how did I just do that? I am not pushing anymore. I am not pushing. I need to win this game. Someone like just died here, and no one got the loot. I don't know about this. Oh my. Yeah, I'm not doing this. I just said I'm not pushing, and I'm not pushing. Don't kill me, buddy. Woo! I got more Spider-Man and oh my! I got a gold stinger. Let's go. This is the game, I'm telling you guys. Ooh, it's a 1v1. I just noticed that. Where's this last guy? Oh, I found him. He's in there. Let's go push. Push. Let's go, boys! Get out of here. Let's go. Let's go, boys. I beat the 100 button challenge. That was such a clutch all the way at the end. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe to see more. I'll see you guys later. Peace.